having this cooking competition, and they did it in the theme of Cutthroat Kitchen, which means they got to sabotage each other. And as judges, we're sitting here not knowing what the sabotage is and trying all these foods, and we have to just go on what we're tasting. So it's a really interesting concept.
The sabotage aspect is literally the worst part, but also, depending on the person, it was the best part. Because in the first round, I had 2 sabotages. Someone gave me only tinfoil. I could have used no pans and pots, but also someone gave me ricotta and red wine. And that ricotta and red wine paired with my dish really well, but cooking was so difficult.
They do some curveballs in there. We got to sabotage some people. Me personally, I got burnt toast in the first round, and then I had to fabricate a chicken in the third round. So there were some challenges, which was awesome. It made it even more fun.
I love the program here at CTC, and really excited to be here and be part of it again. I did the Iron Chef competition a few months ago, and that was a blast. And this one was a blast as well.
There was obstacles to get over, but on going through the event, I started getting into more of like a flow state, and it's starting to get really fun, and it was more like being a kid again.
I think it's awesome. I think that everybody here did fantastic. It was more of a team effort. It wasn't really, it says it's cutthroat, but it was really like we were all helping each other. So we're a big team, big family, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was awesome.